No satisfaction from this. Belts are busted. Oh, this is so simple. There's the chips. Yes, it's pretty simple. Look at that.
Is a David Bowie original recently, and now it's on the auction block, and it's going to sell for a lot more than $5. The painting is up for auction at Cali Abbott now through.
To get lucky at the thrift stores, you know.
Last I checked, the bidding is already over 17 grand in Canadian dollars, which is about 14,000 in US dollars. The auction house said the painting was purchased for $4.09 from a donation center for household goods in South River, Ontario, and was later discovered to have been painted by David Bowie in 1997. That's crazy right there. More on that up at lodestar925.com tonight.
BFD featuring The Offspring.
Reggie's too tight.
Get started with Red Mountain Weight Loss. Appointments available by video from home or in person.
Hi, break time?
I know you.
I'm Cologuard, a prescription colon cancer screening option for people 45 plus.
You're an asshole.
It seems like you take care of yourself.
I do. I play tennis. I try to eat well.
What about screening for colon cancer? Nah.
Can we get 94.5? Looks like we don't. I thought I heard $3 down. I was like, what? That's not a Mexican station anymore? It's the same.
KLTY. Upcoming.
95.9. Nope. I mean, I don't listen to this stuff, but they play good stuff sometimes. Bookmark that. Oh, wait.
Other students could profit from their work, so why not athletes?
Oh, whoops, that's the fan. No, I'm thinking of 105.3. Now the Eagle.
As rates fall from a spring peak, I would say average shot.
/testing. No cost to you with most insurance.
This goes there, and that one goes to B. It's done. What are you gonna play? Oh, it's Bush's theme song. Oh, that's right. You got the ones that come up from there to there, to that one to there. So I'm just gonna do that and put it back together. Got them off. It's just residue from the other one. Yeah, it's not even in there all the way. I'm gonna take this off. I'll clean it up, because this is dusty. I want to clean it. Can't find the right light.